What's good, everybody? It's your boy Marco back at it again with another one for y'all today. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing great. I'm pretty excited for the shoe because it's been pretty anticipated, at least in my personal wants, but I finally got it in my hand and we're gonna share it with you guys all today on video. If you have not locked in and subscribed, you have to do that. Turn those notification bells on because we got content coming. Let's get it, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, today I present to you the Hot Step Air Terra by Nike, the collaboration they put out with Drake last week. These things retail for $180 and this is actually Drake's first shoe collaboration that is not an Air Jordan. He stepped away from that and switched it up a little bit, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with the sneaker regardless of what critics people say. It looks like a K-Swiss, it looks like a Payless shoe. I don't care what you guys got to say. First thing that stood out to me on this shoe was the G-Tech technology that they put on the bottom of the shoe, and that's very good for walking and grip and when you're running and whatnot, if you do decide to run in these. But they are very good soles regardless if you're not used to runner shoes. One thing that I'll say about this is that I am beyond pleased on the leather quality on this shoe. If you guys are avid Jordan buyers like myself, you mainly go for Jordan retros, you're not satisfied with the leather quality on the shoe 5 times out of 10. But with this being a Nike collab shoe this time and not a Jordan, I'm really impressed with the materials that they used in these. These did come in black and white. I kind of went with the white just because I need like an all white shoe in my collection. I don't think I had one, so this is definitely gonna be it. But I definitely would not put these shoes on without spraying them down with some Crep Protect spray. That is number one for these guys. If you have some spray, spray it down. On the side of the shoe, we got the silver Nike check, and on the back, where the heel is at, we got that G-Tech emblem on the back, which is really nice. And also at the front of the tongue too, you got the NOCTA logo, Drake's little NOCTA symbol in there. Looks really nice. Just the detailing, just that little tint of blue that they put inside that is just really nice. These things retail for $180. Right now, we're going to go to the live charts as I'm making this video. Size 7 through like 8.5 is anywhere from 220 to 240. Size 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5, size 11, 11.5, 12, 12.5 is a $500, and 13, it's like $300 to $500 with resale with that one. That is kind of crazy the way we're looking at that. But what did you guys expect? It's a Drake collab. It's coming off of CLB, Certified Lover Boy. Just to be quite frank, I feel like these are only going to go up. They may drop down just for a little bit. Like a lot of shoes, they do a little dip for a price point, but they'll eventually go back up, and I feel like it's gonna even go up more than that. So if you guys have a chance to cop these, please cop these. But don't pay too much if you really don't care for the shoe. That's one thing I always encourage people. If you do not really care too much about the shoe, you're kind of just into it for the moment with the hype, don't even invest on the shoe. Move on to the next release that you actually care about. Let somebody else get an opportunity to get their hands on that shoe. With this being Drake's first non-Jordan shoe collab, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very pleased at what I have as the final product. It's very nice. The packaging, it just brings back nostalgia of the old Nike boxes. I love it. It's just straight up dope to me. I had to have it. But I hope you guys ended up enjoying this video, my overview of these shoes. Hope you guys end up copying these and cop whatever kicks that you're looking forward to this month for releases. Until next time, y'all take care. Peace.